Hello students, let's start application of trigonometry chapter 9 question number 6. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30-meter tall building. So there is a building that's 30 meter tall, and here there is a building. The height of the building is 30 meter. And a 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance. It means there is a boy, the height of the boy is 1.5. AB is a boy and CG is a building. And in between building and boy there is some distance. The angle of elevation from his eyes, here the boy's eyes, from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. It means if this person moves toward the building, earlier the angle is 30 degree. When he moves towards the building, जब वो building की तरफ जाना start हो गया, then after some time वो यहाँ पे पहुँच गया, और जब यहाँ से खड़े होके उसने सेम पॉइंट को एलिवेट किया, सेम पॉइंट को देखा, then the angle increases from 30 to 60. It means earlier the angle is 30, after some time the angle is 60. Now what is this? This is line of sight. The angle of elevation is always formed in between line of sight and the horizontal level of the eye. This is the eye, it means here should be a horizontal level. Horizontal level and ground level both are parallel to each other. It means here there is an angle of 90 degree. The first angle is 30 degree. After some time, when he moved towards the building, angle increases to 60 degree. Then what do you have to find? Find the distance he walked towards the building. It means we have to find how much distance he moved towards the building. So it means we have to find A to E, or F is also a boy. We can say we have to find B to F, because A to E or B to F both are same, so we have to find B to F. So what is B to F? B to F is distance he walked towards the building. Now question arises, how can we find B to F? What is B to F? B to F means if we have B to this line, so we have to label here, let us take G. If we have to find B to G line, from B to G I have to subtract F to G. So whenever there is a trigonometry, we need a right angle triangle. First of all, just check which one is a right angle triangle here. Now here angle G is 90 degree. So we can take a triangle DGF. In triangle DGF, angle G is equal to 90 degree. And we can find another triangle which is also a 90 degree triangle, DGB. Both are having G is equal to 90 degree. Now if we take triangle DGF, can we find DG? Yes, we can find DG. How? We know D to C is a building, that is 30 meter. G to C is same like A to B. Length of the boy means 1.5. So we can say D to G is 30 minus 1.5, that is 28.5 meter. Now why we find DG? Because DG is one of the side of DGF and DGB. If we have one of the side and one of the acute angle, we can find any side. Now we want F to G line. Can we find F to G? Yes, we can find, because this is angle is given angle. Opposite side is D to G. D to G is a perpendicular. With the help of perpendicular, we can find base. So there is a formula of P upon B, the formula of tan. Tan 60 degree is perpendicular upon base. Here perpendicular is opposite side and base is FG. Tan 30, the value of tan 30 is root 3. D to G, already we are having 28.5 upon FG. Cross multiply FG, root 3 is equal to 28.5 upon root 3. Now this is FG. We can leave because this is not our answer. Now come to DGB triangle. We want BG. Which one is the side of DGB? Again, this angle is given in DGB, one of the acute angle. The opposite side is DG, perpendicular. We know perpendicular length and we want base. So again we have to apply a formula of tan, because tan is perpendicular upon base. Now value of tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, DG 28.5 on GB. GB is equal to same, we have to find it out. Now cross multiply. Now we are having GB as well as FG. We are having DFG as well as GB. So we have to subtract both for finding B to F. Now I have put both the values. How can I solve? By taking the LCM. Root 3 is LCM. Root 3 multiplied by 3. What is left? Multiply by 3 minus 28.5. Now 28.5, we can take it is as common. Now what is left? 3, 1. Whenever you have taken common, if nothing is left, it means 1 is left, because 1 is the factor of all upon root 3. 28.5 multiplied by 2 upon root 3. So here it's a root 3 in the denominator, it's an irrational number, so we have to rationalize it. Root 3 into root 3. Answer is 3. 28.5 multiplied by 2 into root 3. When we cancel, we got 9.5. 9.5 multiplied by 2, it's 19 root 3. It means distance covered by a boy from towards the building. Distance covered by the boy towards the building is 19 root 3. Distance covered by boy towards the building. (19 root 3). Now this is a distance, so you have to write the units, meter. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Please subscribe, share and press on bell icon so you are able to get my notification. Take care.